Alright, welcome back anyone who was watching me before as I was going through the counties and some of the towns of England and the UK. So up here now I've got 4 tabs that I'm going to go through. We've got Sporcle Quiz countries of Europe, countries of Asia, US states and the provinces and territories of Canada. So that shouldn't be a hassle, should be quite leisurely. Let's go on through. Okay, countries of Europe, here we go. Let's start from the top left. Iceland, UK, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Poland, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg. Let's pop in some micro countries. Liechtenstein, Andorra, Malta, San Marino, Vatican. Cyprus is small enough that I'll forget it later. Let's go through Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, Greece, Serbia, Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Slovenia, Austria, Hungary, Slovakia, Czechia, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, France, Spain, Portugal. There we go. So 5 minutes 30 left. So I got 100% and fairly quickly. So all good. Let's move on to Asia. Can you name the countries of Asia? I can try. Right. Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, is that? Yeah, that's the Maldives. Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Mongolia, Korea, Japan, Philippines, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei, Singapore, Indonesia, and Timor-Leste. Nice, there we go. So that was fairly fast as well. Quite happy with that. Let's move on to US states. I'm gonna go northwest to whichever direction I go in. So Alaska. Let's not forget Hawaii, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, Vermont, Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, yep, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, and California. Oh, and one more. Quick scan. Can you name the US states? Where have I missed? Where exactly have I missed? Oh, no, Delaware. Okay. I almost thought I was gonna miss that there. Right, there we go. Wasn't terrible, though Delaware did catch me on the end. So let's move on to Canada. That's the last one for this video. Right. I believe that Whitehorse is in the Northwest Territories. Oh, nope, it's not. It's in the Yukon. Yukon territories. That's where, like, Northwest is where Great Bear Lake isn't it? BC. It's not Columbia, it's Columbia. It's English fine. Alberta. Manitoba's further on. Saskatchewan. Manitoba. Nunavut. Ontario. Quebec. Newfoundland and Labrador. New Brunswick. Prince Edward Island. A funny little bridge. Nova Scotia. There we go. And fairly fast on that one as well. Although a lot easier, a lot less things. I think out of all these, Europe was probably the hardest because of the quantity of small nations that are just hidden between different things, but the labeling was probably the least efficient on the US States one out of the four. So yeah, pretty good. Thanks for tuning in, and watch another one if you want it. I don't know. Are there any others? Go and find them. See ya.